What's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, coming at you with another review for the month of February. All right, so like I told you all, I'm getting caught up. I'm gonna make sure these videos get out in a timely fashion, unlike the last set of videos, which I recorded them in that time frame, but I just never went back and edited the videos so that I could put them out. But right now, we're pretty much all caught up. I just got one more box that I just got in the mail this past week. So we're recording that next and it'll be all coming out at the same time. So let's see what we got for the month of February. And again, just remember, I'm here in Los Angeles and I get a lot of winter stuff that I won't really be able to wear for too long, but we will see what we working with. All right, so here's a brand that I've grown to be very fond of, and that's Staple Pigeon. Really digging their brand. They're definitely coming up. It's getting better and better every time. Every piece that I get, you know, I'm always pretty much happy with it. So this is a nice t-shirt. I definitely will be rocking it. Definitely got some kicks to wear with it. All right, so I probably still got a little bit of time that I can rock some hoodies. This is a Tommy Hilfiger hoodie, and that Staple Pigeon shirt probably is about a $35 shirt. This Tommy Hilfiger hoodie, I would imagine it being around about 50, 60 bucks. So let's just say 65 for the Tommy, and let's just say 35 for the t-shirt. And so that's $100 right there. And I have a pair of Halfway Dead sweatpants, and they say Halfway Dead right there. Actually might go pretty well with the t-shirt that I got in last month's box. So we'll see what the other items is. I would probably say these sweatpants will run at least 40, 50 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and just say 50. All right, so, okay. Hey, I guess they're just getting anything. So this is a Columbia t-shirt. I mean, I'm not really familiar with Columbia's clothes like that, but I'll give them 25 bucks. So the sweatpants, 50, 25. So far we're up to 175. All right, and they're coming at us with another pair of underwear, which I absolutely under no circumstances, since I'm a grown man, will wear a pair of white underwear, you know, for specific reasons. But, you know, hey, these are Nick Graham. Okay, Nick Graham, putting your name on the people's underwears. But I would probably say these are 20, 25 bucks. So again, another $200 box, and I only paid 85. What do you think? And again, something that I missed up front, you know, I'm really trying to grow this channel. I would really appreciate it if you guys like the videos and also subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do my best to try to be consistent with putting videos out so that you all will have something to watch and enjoy, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get these clothes tried on just to see how they fit, because different brands have different fits and they are all not always made in the same quality as far as sizing for each brand. So let's see what we got. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. All right, so here we are. We're moved on to February's box. Had some really nice pieces in this one. I think most of it should be wearable. So I got your Halfway Dead sweatpants that I definitely liked. It's a good fit, not too tight. And then, look, can't go wrong with the Staple Pigeon t-shirts. Like, I love them. So extra large in the fit. You see, we good. We good. Let me try on the next shirt. All right, so here's the Columbia t-shirt. To me, it's like a normal fit. You know, I have enough room to what I need. It fits just right. Nothing to complain about. It's just a regular old t-shirt. Same thing with the Halfway Dead sweatpants, same ones I had on before. These just work. Try on the next shirt. Okay, so this Tommy Hilfiger pullover sweatshirt, It's pretty thin, so I think this is appropriate for the springtime. You know, knowing that there's gonna be a lot of like 65, 70 degree days, and in the evenings, you know, 70, 75, I think this would be really appropriate. So I definitely like this gray Tommy Hilfiger hoodie, and I definitely will be rocking it as much as I can while it's still cool enough. So there you go with that one. And this is the last piece, so remember, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments. If you're interested in subscribing to ThreadBeast, follow the link in the description. And if you have any other questions, period, just let me know and I'll do my best to answer them right away. All right, check you on the next one. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.